In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin user to Calendly. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to make sure the right person gets the right level of access to your Calendly account. Let's start from your Calendly home dashboard. Go ahead and log into your account the way you normally do. Once you're signed in, you should land on the main scheduling or home dashboard where you can see your event types and upcoming meetings. This is the central place where you manage everything, and it's also where we'll begin the process of inviting a new admin. Now, look towards the top right-hand corner of the screen, next to your profile icon. You'll see an option that says Invite User. This is the button that starts the process of adding someone new to your organization in Calendly. Click once on Invite User, and a small panel or window will open up, prompting you to enter some details. Inside this invite panel, you'll see a field where you can type an email address. Click directly into that field to activate it so your cursor is blinking there and it's ready for input. Before you type anything though, we need to make sure we're assigning the correct role. On the right-hand side of that same field, you'll see a drop-down that usually defaults to user or a similar basic role. Click on this drop-down to open the list of role options. These roles control what kind of access the new person will have inside your Calendly account. From the drop-down list, choose admins. Selecting admins tells Calendly that this person should have administrator level permissions. That typically means they can help manage other users, configure settings, and oversee how Calendly is used across your team. Only give admin access to people you trust to manage these higher level settings. Once you've selected the admin role, it's time to type in the email address of the person you want to invite. Click back into the main field if needed, then carefully type their work email. Double check for typos here, because the invite will be sent directly to this address. After you've confirmed the email and the admin role, look for the Send Invite button in the panel. Click on Send Invite to finalize everything. Calendly will now email that person an invitation to join your organization as an admin. As soon as they accept the invite and set up their account, they'll appear in your Calendly users list with full admin permissions.